parenting if you show any kind of physical discipline to your child, and rightly so. But Mother Nature is one of those parents who still has a very old school approach.
Oh my god, I can see them!
Extreme rainfall flooded this library in New York, causing $10 million in damage, including priceless historical documents. So, not a great day to pay a visit and borrow a book.
See, that's what I be thinking about. When stuff like this get destroyed, that's like historical and stuff, like, bro, what do you do to There's nothing you can do to replace that, bro. Like, dang.
Yep, let's just stand right by this massive cliff that we're expecting to collapse. A luxury apartment in China with a less than luxurious balcony.
Dang. So what caused it? A tornado?
A landslide is bad enough. The fact that there's a power station underneath is even worse.
Oh, it hit the power station? That ain't good, bro.
In retrospect, maybe parking on that giant crack wasn't the best idea.
What is that? What just happened? Did that just fall into a sinkhole?
News reporters often travel to cover disasters, but it's not often the disasters travel to the news reporter.
我本人在现场几乎站都站不稳了。那尤其我们的天花板几乎是剧烈的摇晃，很多东西都掉下来。也提醒在电视机前的观众朋友呢，务必要小心安全。那尤其现在地震正在发生中，那么现在的地震强度呢，指台北的盆地的中心，那其实是在3楼里就可以感受到明显。
Typhoon Yagi triggered severe flooding and landslides in northern Thailand, and here's some of the devastating footage.
Who was recording this, though?
The absolute worst day for your train to be late.
No, it's a perfect day. I ain't trying to get on no train in no tornado like this. And that's like a bullet train, but them trains so fast.
Definition of a close call.
Dang.
A landslide, almost taking an entire forest with it.
Bro, seeing a landslide in actual time is insane. Like, and that's so random, bro.
It doesn't matter how luxurious the setting, you can't escape an earthquake.
Bro, that pool look amazing though, bro. Where is this at? Bro, that pool look magnificent. Oh my gosh.
As much as you might want to, there's no point in running from this sandstorm.
Bro, if you don't turn around and go the other way, I hate people. I don't hate people, but I hate when people do stuff like this, bro. Then they wait till it's too late to start trying to run. Man, if you don't turn around, bro. Dang, boy.
No pair of shoes is safe.
Bro, the whole hotel is flooded. See, that's one of the risks you take.
Well, I didn't really want to go any further anyway.
Dang. Dang, boy. That's crazy.
Don't buy a house right next to a tree. Just don't.
It ain't do that much damage, though. We seen this clip before already, though.
No amount of money could convince me to walk over that bridge.
Yeah, it ain't even that serious. And then it's y'all walking. Y'all not even trying to run.
Wow, look at that majestic glacier
This is
collapsing.
a famous clip right here, bro. I just seen this clip over YouTube.
Actually, no, run.
3-4 times I done seen this clip. Dang, boy.
This is a landslide and a half.
Well, that thing hit you, bro, you dead instantly, bro. Instantly, bro.
Well, everybody wants a room with a view.
Dang, it blew the windows off. Dang, bro.
It looks like the road is pretty angry in this clip.
Ew, what is that? Ew.
He's an optimist. You gotta give him that.
Hey, if you ain't got no gas, just ride the wave. He got his foot on the brakes and everything. Oh, he making it up out of there though.
This high school survived a lightning strike, but only because this tree was in the way. The really worrying thing is how calm everyone seems to be.
That's what I'm saying. Like, everybody on the bridge just like, that's normal.
A stream of people, followed by a stream of water.
People be wanting to record stuff so bad, bro.
It's never good when the sky goes brown.
That's a sandstorm, ain't it? What is this?
Looks like a massive amount of floodwater has come over to visit.
What? That's wild. Is that a duck?
Mushroom clouds never indicate anything positive, even small ones.
I was about to say, what go up must come down. Y'all think this stuff not gonna start hitting the ground. Dang.
When hailstones get this big, there's not a whole lot you can do.
Oh my gosh, not the windshield.
Forest fires, the closest thing to hell on Earth.
I know that's California. Something always going on in California, bro.
First, there was a traffic jam. And then things got so much worse. Starting the work week with a bang.
Literally.
Sometimes an earthquake is just the beginning.
The same way we got electricity flowing through all these houses and stuff. Like, y'all just think about it, how it's electric energy in the sky, fam. Like, bro, is that not processing you? It's electric energy just moving through the air. Like, dude, bro, it's like we take so much stuff for granted, bro. Like, it's electric energy in the clouds, bro.
Not sure if I'd like to be a passenger on his bus.
Oh no. You better get out of the way.
A Himalayan rockfall with an audience.
Himalayas?
Mother Nature sure does hate festivals.
Dang. Is this
And
normal?
it's Bye Bye Bridge.
Yeah, I seen this clip too, y'all. It took the whole bridge away, bro. The whole bridge. I forgot what they said this was it though. In the other video, it said it though. Bro, it took the whole bridge, fam.
Even rocks fancy McDonald's every now and then.
Dang, bro, that McDonald's look amazing. I don't eat McDonald's now, but that. Y'all, look at this.
Even rock.
Bro, look at this McDonald's, bro. Is this in China?
Rocks fancy McDonald's every now and then.
It's China, bro. Dang. No. Oh my gosh.
Somewhere you really don't want to be during an earthquake.
I don't get it. Dude, we got the building.
Not too much difference between this and being shot at.
What is this, hell? Man.
Many businesses and many lives were ruined by this catastrophe in the UAE.
Y'all let me know in the comment section, what's the UAE?
Apparently, bridge watching is a legit hobby now.
Dang, bro.
A mountain road is definitely in my top 5 places not to be stuck during an earthquake.
Bro, on everything.
Oh, sorry, GG.
Bro. To get stuck in something like that. This was this was last year, bro.
This landslide decided to take part of the road with it for the ride.
That's insane. Oh, you gotta be careful driving on cliffs and mountains, man.
I'm gonna take a guess that it's pretty cold there.
That's just a bunch of ice.
There's being stuck in traffic, and then there's this.
Nah, you flooded, gang. Like, that ain't traffic. Dang, boy.
But they still just carry on fishing.
He had knocked the bucket of bait over.
After a series of earthquakes, Taiwan had its very own Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Dang.
When floodwater has an emergency appointment at the hospital.
At the hospital, bro?
With hail like this, you'd better say a few prayers for your windscreen. This is the Nordic Sea, and it's climbing aboard the ship for a rest.
Bro, those some big waves, boy.
More than 1,000 residents were evacuated by ferry from this Greek island after raging fires cut off all other means of escape. Well, that's one way to deliver a bulk order of gas cylinders. Rising land or falling water?
Ugh, that just looks so gross, bro. I hate seeing stuff like that, y'all. It just make my skin crawl, man.
From peace to chaos in a matter of seconds.
Was it like a tornado clip or something?
Well, it looks like a Tesla holds up pretty well during massive hailstorms. If you were filming this from that point of view, then, well, you just wouldn't be hanging around to film any more of it.
Dang.
Having your cabin turned into a boat isn't great to start with, but then you start heading for the bridge.
Dang, bro.
The horror and sorrow of watching your home collapse after a natural disaster. Mother Nature making herself known in an ominous-looking dust cloud.
And they driving directly into it.
There's nothing like a near-death experience to liven up your drive.
Bro, the whole house gone.
Floodwater's basically eating this whole house.
Dude, you can't get nothing back that's in that house, bro.
This house, on the other hand, seems to be setting out on an ocean voyage.
Like, whoever moved their house right there is stupid anyway. Your house is literally lost at sea now. Imagine you
How do you
sleep.
know if a landslide is officially finished?
Bro, imagine you sleep and you wake up, bro, and you in your house though, right? You upstairs in one of these rooms. You wake up, you way out there in the middle of the ocean. Bro, you stuck, my nigga.
How do you know if a landslide is officially finished? I mean, if I lived here, I'd never drive across that bridge again. When your yard suddenly starts looking like a World War I battlefield. Solo climbing experiences don't get much more terrifying than this.
Bro, I know he freezing, bro. That nigga gonna catch hypothermia or something, bro. Bro, I know he freezing.
Okay, did I remember to put any oars in the car today?
Driving all fast.
Yeah, I've just.
You just drove into the middle of a flood, gang.
At first, you can't tell this is an earthquake, but then... hold on to your stomachs.
Hold on to my stomach, why? The fact y'all stayed on the bridge.
Crazy amounts of water causing random destruction in India.
This in India? Wow.
What is it with these people who walk out to meet the flood? Do they think they're being polite? The water?
I don't know, man. People ignorant sometimes, bro.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, a genuine lunatic.
Wow. And then you
The
had to go
owners had
serve
long
them.
since gone. What a terrible thing to happen to someone's home.
A whole house gone.
Even the ocean is sometimes less raging than this. Well, at least you've got your own wave machine. For the moment. Stop relaxing, get in that car, and go. that's our skiing holiday ruined. Just a skyscraper of ice collapsing into the ocean. You see this every day, right? It's either a fire or the apocalypse is here. And he only had one payment left. Well, it was kind of his fault. I've said it once, I'll say it again. Put your phone down and run. Cars, houses, nothing is safe from Mother Nature when she loses her cool. Yeah, okay. That's a pretty strong earthquake. Do you know what would really incur Mother Nature's wrath? If you forgot.
Oh, hush.